Welcome back to MindCraft, the channel where we break down big ideas and help you craft a smarter mind and a wealthier life. Let me ask you this. Are you tired of hearing people say, you need to hustle 24/7 to make money? What if I told you there are lazy ways to make money with AI, even if you're a complete beginner and starting with $0? No coding, no big investments, no insane work hours, just practical ways regular people are already using artificial intelligence to earn cash, sometimes even while they sleep. Today, I'm going to reveal real examples, real platforms, and real money people are making using AI, with as little effort as possible. So, grab a coffee, sit back, and let's dive into the laziest ways to make money with AI in 2025. First up, AI content creation. You've probably heard how people write blogs, scripts, or social media posts to make money. But what's the lazy way? Use AI tools to do it for you. Tools like ChatGPT can generate articles, social posts, ad copy, product descriptions, basically anything involving words. And people are cashing in. Let me give you a real-life example. Lisa, a freelancer on Fiverr, offers AI blog post writing services, charging $30 to $50 per article. She uses AI tools to generate drafts, does light editing, and sends them off. She reportedly earns over $3,000 a month, working just a few hours per day. Here's how you could copy her. 1. Sign up for Fiverr or Upwork. 2. List your service as AI-assisted writing. 3. Let clients place orders. 4. Use tools like ChatGPT or Claude to write content fast. Even if you're not a great writer, AI fills in the gaps. Lazy but legit. Another easy way is posting AI-generated articles on Medium. With the Medium Partner Program, you can earn money based on how many people read your work. Some creators earn $100 to $1,000 plus monthly just publishing AI-written posts on trending topics. Second up, selling AI-generated art. Tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, or Stable Diffusion let you create stunning images with simple text prompts. People are cashing in by selling AI art on Etsy, Redbubble, and Gumroad, offering custom illustrations on Fiverr, creating downloadable wall art, t-shirt designs, or even children's book illustrations. Here's a real-life example. James sells AI-generated printable wall art on Etsy. He started with just a laptop and free AI art tools, and now makes about $1,200 a month. His process is simple. 1. Type a prompt into Midjourney. 2. Generate the artwork. 3. Upload it as a digital download. Buyers purchase instantly. James barely touches the business afterward. Talk about lazy income. And it's not just wall art, stickers, book covers, coloring pages. You can create them all with AI. It's an amazing side hustle with low effort once your products are online. Lazy bonus tip: create bundles of AI art and sell them as stock photo packs on sites like Creative Fabrica or Shutterstock. Third up, AI voiceovers. Think about how many videos, ads, and podcasts need voiceovers. Recording voiceovers yourself can be tiring. But the lazy way? Let AI talk for you. Tools like 11 Labs, Murph.ai, and Well Said Labs generate lifelike voices in dozens of accents and languages. Real-life example, a freelancer on Fiverr offers AI voiceover services. They charge $15 to $50 per minute of audio. They type a client's script into an AI voice tool, export the audio, and deliver it. Total time? Often under 10 minutes. Even at $20 per minute, you could make $200 for 10 minutes of audio. Another example. A YouTuber named Tom started a faceless channel using AI voiceovers instead of narrating himself. He publishes explainer videos with AI voices and earns ad revenue exceeding $2,000 monthly. Lazy? Extremely. Here's the step-by-step. 1. Sign up for an AI voice platform. 2. Pick your voice style or even generate using your own voice. 3. Enter your script. 4. Download your audio and deliver it. No microphone, no acting, just easy money. Fourth up on the list, we have AI transcription and translation. Businesses, podcasters, and YouTubers, they all need transcripts. And they pay people to provide them. But instead of typing manually for hours, use AI. Apps like Otter.ai, Sonics, and Whisper by OpenAI can convert audio to text in seconds. On Fiverr, freelancers offer transcription services for $5 to $20 per audio minute. One creator shared that he earns around $500 to $1,000 a month just uploading audio into AI tools, proofreading quickly, and sending transcripts to clients. Same for translation. Tools like DeepL produce high-quality translations. You can offer AI translation services on freelance sites. Translate documents or video subtitles. Real example. A translator I read about on LinkedIn uses DeepL to translate entire blog posts from English to Spanish in minutes, earning 8 to 15 cents per word. If you translate a 1,000-word article, that's potentially $80 to $150 for under an hour of work. Fifth up on the list, low-content books. These are books with minimal written content, like journals, coloring books, planners, activity books. Tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney can help you create these products lightning fast. Real-life example. Sophia sells kids' activity books on Amazon, KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. She uses AI to generate puzzles, create coloring pages, write simple instructions. Sophia reportedly earns over $2,500 per month in royalties. And she barely touches the business after uploading new books. Here's the lazy blueprint. 1. Use AI to generate content, mazes, affirmations, planners. 2. Design simple interiors with free tools like Canva. 3. Upload to Amazon KDP. Each sale earns royalties forever. It's a brilliant set-it-and-forget-it side hustle. You can even produce multiple books in one weekend. Sixth up, we have creating simple AI chatbots. Small businesses, e-commerce stores, and creators want chatbots to answer questions 24/7. You don't need to code these yourself. Platforms like BotPress, ManyChat, and Tidio let you drag and drop chatbot flows. Real-life example. A guy named Nathan offers chatbot creation on Upwork. He builds bots for local businesses, charging $100 to $500 per bot. And most of the heavy lifting is done by AI tools. Once built, the bot runs on autopilot, and Nathan often sells monthly maintenance plans for extra recurring income. Lazy, but genius. Seventh up, selling AI prompts. Prompt marketplaces like PromptBase and PromptC allow creators to sell clever text prompts for tools like Midjourney, ChatGPT, or DALL-E. You might think, who'd pay for words? Turns out, lots of people do. Creators sell prompts for generating logos, story writing templates, business plan outlines. Some sellers on PromptBase earn hundreds per month just listing prompts they've tested. It's a lazy digital product because once your prompts are up, they keep selling on autopilot. Last but not least, affiliate marketing, promoting AI tools. Many AI companies pay commissions when you refer new users. For example, Jasper AI offers 30% recurring commissions. WriteSonic pays up to $200 per sale. Midjourney has referral perks via Discord. Imagine writing a blog post or recording a TikTok review about an AI tool. If someone signs up using your link, you get paid. A creator on YouTube named Alex built a channel reviewing AI software. He reportedly makes $3,000 to $5,000 per month in affiliate commissions, sometimes with videos less than 5 minutes long. Here are the lazy steps. 1. Pick an AI tool you like. 2. Sign up for their affiliate program. 3. Share your link on social media, YouTube, Medium, or TikTok, and boom, you could be earning passive income while you sleep. So there you have it. The laziest ways to make money with AI, even if you're starting from zero. Remember, you don't need to become a tech genius. You don't need thousands of dollars up front. You just need smart tools, a few creative ideas, and the willingness to start, even small. Whether you want to write blogs, sell AI art, record AI voiceovers, publish books, build chatbots, or promote AI tools, there's a lazy path to cash waiting for you. But, and this is important, lazy doesn't mean zero effort. You'll still need to learn how the tools work, do basic editing, and keep experimenting. But the potential is massive, and the tools are only getting smarter. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe to MindCraft, and let me know in the comments. Which AI money idea are you excited to try? Until next time, keep your mind sharp and your income streams flowing. This is MindCraft, signing off.